Samsung brings ECG and blood pressure measurements to Galaxy watches across 31 countries. After a long while, Samsung is finally bringing electrocardiogram, ECG, and blood pressure monitoring support for its Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Watch Active 2 smartwatches. Samsung's Health Monitor app was granted CE marking for conforming with health, safety, and environmental protection standards within the European Economic Area. Now users in all 27 member states alongside the UK, Chile, Indonesia, and the UAE will be able to take their blood pressure and take ECG readings directly from their compatible smartwatches. Prior to the newly added countries, the two health services were only available in South Korea and the US. The new Samsung Health Monitor app update will be available from February 4th and will follow a gradual rollout schedule. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.